Look, you can get rid of the whirl.
You're good.
We're good.
What's it off of?
Wait, that's SpongeBob. He's in the boat and he's trying to like ferry.
Oh yeah, we're back. He's back. Yep. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
You're good.
He's like
Out
running.
with me. That's like my favorite.
I'm like the Reaper. Oh. Isn't that a song?
Yes. Blue Oyster Cult. That's
head
another worse
itches.
band name. Blue Oyster Cult.
Chill your beans.
So much cooler.
Chill your beans. Koi beans.
That is not how that's saying.
Slow your roll. Chill your.
Brianna.
Which
Brianna.
I don't know.
Cameron.
I'm just gonna say this is really awkward because all I have in this picture is your boob and the tambourine.
Let me see. Now maybe they won't notice our awkward little. You did it before too. Creepy, shadowy.
Oh, that's so
Grasp your guitar and
Hey, stop.
don't touch my pillow. Wow.
Wait, you seriously never heard the It's All
Amanda is gonna be so disappointed in you.
They love me. I'm their #1 fan. They know that.
Okay.
Sound really nice.
Britt-
I don't think we should count that as
Yeah, I was like. Now I'm calm. My head that curious. Okay, you can't see Alyssa standing there, and your head is completely cut off.
Mine?
Yes, like your disembodied shoulders. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, hold on. You need to start in earlier than that so I can figure out what's going on.
Now I have to figure out how to get my composure back. Come on, people. I think it was less than 10th, actually. I'd like to point that out.
Maybe like no, it's definitely.
Maybe like 8th or 9th.
Okay, however many times Alyssa has played the first opening chord and someone starts laughing, that counts. So that's
Sorry, just
Brianna, I'm gonna do this. Tina! Okay, restart. Alyssa.
Okay.
We can all sing our part. That'd be so obnoxious.
That would be so funny. Hold on.
You messed up. Yeah,
Don't
move
sit on
Tina.
the-
Every time you say that, Tina move, okay? Like, and then like, and sit back here, really awkward. Tina.
Father.
Tina.
Go throw Tina. Start singing Tina. Tina.
I might like look back at you and laugh.
Please
don't look at me. No.
Tina.
Okay, we
It's
ready?
all Tina.
You ready?
It's all Tina.
Is that a song?
Tina. It's alright. It's alright.
Who sings that, Brianna?
It's alright. I don't know. It's like Keith Lancaster.
Tina.
He's a word. More like a sheep, isn't
And
it?
guess whose fault it was? The singer. Tina. Not Tina.
Blame it on Tina.
No brownies for you, Tina. Oh, by the way, the brownies are done. Oh, I know.
We're making a blooper thing and we're putting it on YouTube and we're linking it to the actual
God.
one that we did.
Oh, God.
And it's gonna be so funny. We're never gonna get anywhere.
we're never gonna get anywhere. Okay, let's go. Let's go.